criticized Pakistan for raising the Kashmir issue and denounced it on the international stage and called Pakistan a terrorist exporter. Pakistan had to face this humiliation at the 146th General Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union in Manama, Bahrain's capital. While addressing the IPU, representative of Pakistan once again raked up the issue of Kashmir on the international platform. India's representative Dr. Susmit Patra minced no words to lash at Pakistan and called it an exporter of terrorists. India reiterated that Pakistan has no rights over Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Patra further lashed at Pakistan and added, "It is unfortunate that Pakistan has once again abused a valuable platform by referring to Jammu and Kashmir, which are integral parts of India. This mention is completely unacceptable." He further stated, "The Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh have been and will always remain an integral and inalienable part of India. No amount of rhetoric and propaganda from any country can override this fact. Pakistan has no locus standi to comment on India's internal affairs. We have repeatedly called upon it to vacate the Indian territories under its illegal and forcible occupation with immediate effect. It is ironic that a country which is a known exporter of terrorists and responsible for inflicting countless cross-border terrorist attacks in Jammu and Kashmir is claiming to champion the cause of human rights. International community has also taken Pakistan to task and has also declared some of the terrorists as global terrorists, and these are the ones whom Pakistan is giving shelter in its country.